S-ring first. S-ring is 2-star. It's not 1-star because S-ring looks easy, but if you want to wrap it nice, it's actually a little hard. Yeah, a lot of design use pro. Here, you need to use your plier, this one, and of course, if you have a plier that is with the six loop plier, that will be more easy. But here I use this one. I'm not so much often use the plier with 6 different sides. So here we go. You start to wrap always at here. Here, this one wrap. Okay, and still put it the plier here. Then wrap like this, and here. 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 So made a dipper on my basket. Okay. KELS. Got it. Thank you. Here. The copper wire I use is the 18 gauge 1mm. If you want to try the copper wire, you can get the copper wire here. It's 2.5 1 small reel. Here. So you see, at the beginning, I make it seems smaller, then here a little bigger. So need to be careful not to pull the wire too much outside. This and here. This. Here. This way. Fold. The loop I make, it's become smaller. So here's the way that's to make the S wrapper. Tight. Here. Here. So when we are not put at the same position, you see this one small, this one bigger. up here. Got it. How to make the S wrapper. Here. Okay. How long? You can try. It's 6 centimeter. Then we make it in a size 8. Here, both the 2 loop is at one side. We're going to wrap one more. Okay. So we will go to use a thinner wire to tie the loop together. You can use a 0.4. Here. Thank you. Thank you so much. So here we tie it. We can go through it. No, it's not so much. Wrapper. Okay. So a ring finish. We tie here with the wire. Here. This can be adjusted the size. Here now is size 8. If I want to make it to size 9, we can point, then just the piece will be turned bigger. Okay. Then it's done here. So here's the way that's to make the ring like this. Okay. Here, then last one we go to make that eye ring is all in silver color, and the eye ring I